Today we are going to talk about what happens to your body when you eat watermelon seeds and health benefits of eating watermelon seeds by Daily Mindset and Health Adjuster to Success. Summer picnics often bring to mind watermelon. As we enjoy each slice, most of us pick out the seeds. For generations, we've been told these seeds are inedible or harmful. Many believe swallowing a seed will cause a watermelon to grow in your stomach. However, we are missing out on a treasure trove of health benefits. These discarded seeds are packed with essential nutrients. The truth is, these seeds are not just safe to eat. They are incredibly good for you. By throwing them away, we are throwing away a powerful source of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. It is time to learn the real story and why these tiny seeds deserve a place on your plate.
See, in life, you can go through life, you can come up with reasons or you can come up with results. You can come up with excuses or you can come up with achievements. You can go through life blaming or you can come up with solutions. The choice is in your hands, satisfaction or despair. We can choose that.
And subscribe.
You don't get better on the daggone couch. You get better by coming out here and getting the f after it every daggone day.
It's very, very simple to get what you want, but it's not easy. It's your job to make yourself do the crap you don't want to do so you can be everything that you're supposed to be.
Welcome to Steps
And you're
to
so
Being
damn busy
Successful
waiting
video.
to feel like it.
Please
And you're never going
like,
to.
comment,
Ever.
and subscribe.
No one's coming. No one. No one's coming to push you. No one's coming to tell you to turn the TV off.
Welcome to
Everybody
Steps
wants to prize,
to
but
Being
nobody loves the
Successful
process.
video.
Everybody wants to be a
Please
champion, but
like,
nobody's willing to put in the work that it
comment,
takes to be a
and
champion. Everybody wants to hold up the trophy and say, man, I did it, but nobody's willing to put in the work that it takes to do it. I love the process.
So, what exactly makes these small, unassuming seeds so special? The answer lies in their dense nutritional profile. Watermelon seeds are a concentrated source of vital nutrients that our bodies need to function properly. When you discard them, you are missing out on a significant amount of magnesium, a mineral that is crucial for over 600 enzymatic reactions in the body. This includes processes like regulating blood pressure, supporting muscle and nerve function, and controlling blood sugar levels. Many people today are deficient in magnesium, making watermelon seeds an excellent and natural way to boost your intake. Beyond magnesium, these seeds are also a fantastic source of other essential minerals. They contain a healthy dose of zinc, which plays a key role in supporting our immune system, helping our bodies fight off illnesses and infections. Zinc is also vital for skin health, wound healing, and cell growth. The seeds also provide iron, which is necessary for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout your body. Without enough iron, you can feel tired and weak. So, eating watermelon seeds can help keep your energy levels up and your body strong. The benefits do not stop with minerals. Watermelon seeds are a good source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids. These are the same types of beneficial fats found in foods like avocados and olive oil. These fats are essential for maintaining heart health, as they can help reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and lower the risk of heart disease. They also provide the body with energy and support cell function. The seeds are also rich in protein, making them a great addition to a plant-based diet for building and repairing tissues. Therefore, it is clear that the common practice of discarding watermelon seeds means we are losing out on a powerhouse of nutrition. Instead of viewing them as waste, we should see them as a valuable superfood. They are not something to be feared or avoided because of old myths. They are a gift from nature, packed with the building blocks for a healthier body. By understanding their true value, we can start to incorporate them into our daily lives and reap their many rewards. It is time to rethink our relationship with this humble seed and embrace its powerful contribution to our overall health and wellness. When you eat watermelon seeds, what happens inside your body? Raw seeds enter your digestive system with their hard, black shells intact. The shells are tough for your body to break down, so many seeds pass through undigested. This isn't harmful, but you miss out on nutrients inside the kernel. The fiber aids bowel regularity, but to access the magnesium, zinc, iron, and healthy fats, your body needs help. Swallowing seeds whole sends nutrients on a quick tour without proper absorption. It's safe, but inefficient. By making one simple change, we can transform these seeds into a bioavailable source of incredible nutrition. To truly unlock the nutritional powerhouse hidden within watermelon seeds, preparation is key. The simplest and most effective way to make the nutrients accessible is by breaking down the hard outer shell. This can be done by either sprouting, roasting, or grinding the seeds. When you chew the seeds thoroughly, you begin this process mechanically. Your teeth crack open the shell, allowing your digestive enzymes to start working on the nutrient-rich kernel inside. This is a good first step, but for optimal digestion and absorption, further preparation before eating is highly recommended. Roasting is an excellent and popular method. When you roast watermelon seeds, the heat helps to dry out and crack the shells, making them easier to chew and digest. The roasting process also enhances their flavor, giving them a nutty and slightly crunchy texture, similar to sunflower seeds. This makes them a delicious snack on their own. Once roasted, the nutrients inside, like magnesium and zinc, are much more readily available for your body to absorb. Your body can then easily extract these vital minerals and fats and send them where they are needed most. Another fantastic way to prepare the seeds is by sprouting them. Sprouting involves soaking the seeds in water until they begin to germinate. This natural process activates enzymes within the seed, which starts to break down the hard shell and neutralize compounds like phytic acid. Sprouted seeds are essentially pre-digested, making them incredibly easy for your body to process. All the vitamins, minerals, and proteins become much more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and utilize them with minimal effort. Grinding the seeds into a powder or flour is another highly effective preparation method. Using a coffee grinder or a high-powered blender, you can turn dried or roasted seeds into a fine powder. This completely removes the barrier of the outer shell. You can then add this nutrient-dense powder to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or baked goods. In this form, the nutrients are immediately available for your body to absorb. There is no tough shell for your digestive system to contend with, ensuring you get the full spectrum of benefits without any extra work from your gut. This is truly the most efficient way to get the nutrition. Once you have prepared the watermelon seeds correctly and your body can access the nutrients, a wonderful process unfolds. The magnesium you absorb is quickly put to work. It travels through your bloodstream to support your muscles and nerves, helping to prevent cramps and maintain a steady heartbeat. It also plays a critical role in energy production at a cellular level, converting the food you eat into fuel. This is why a good intake of magnesium can help you feel more energetic and less fatigued throughout the day. Your body uses this mineral to regulate hundreds of essential biochemical reactions. Simultaneously, the zinc from the seeds gets to work strengthening your immune system. It is transported to your cells to support the function of immune cells like T cells and natural killer cells, which are your body's first line of defense against pathogens. Zinc also contributes to healthier skin by aiding in cell growth and repair, which can help wounds heal faster and may reduce acne breakouts. It is a vital mineral for maintaining the integrity of your skin barrier, protecting you from environmental stressors and keeping your skin looking vibrant and healthy from the inside out. The healthy fats and protein you digest from the seeds also play crucial roles. The monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats help to lower bad LDL cholesterol levels in your blood, supporting cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart-related issues. These fats are also used to build cell membranes and support brain function. The protein is broken down into amino acids, which are the building blocks for repairing tissues, building muscle mass, and producing essential enzymes and hormones. This makes watermelon seeds an excellent food for post-workout recovery and overall physical strength. Finally, the iron absorbed from the seeds is used by your bone marrow to produce hemoglobin. This protein is essential for carrying oxygen in your red blood cells to every part of your body, from your brain to your toes. An adequate supply of oxygen is vital for maintaining high energy levels and cognitive function. When your body is well oxygenated, you feel more alert, focused, and capable of tackling your daily tasks. By simply eating prepared watermelon seeds, you are supplying your body with the fundamental tools it needs to function optimally, promoting overall wellness and vitality. Watermelon seeds are packed with essential minerals. They're rich in magnesium, crucial for nerve and muscle function. They also provide zinc, essential for a strong immune system. These seeds are a good source of iron, vital for oxygen transport. Plus, they contain copper, manganese, and potassium, supporting bone health, metabolism, and blood pressure. Watermelon seeds are a superfood, offering a comprehensive boost for overall well-being. Watermelon seeds are packed with heart-healthy fats, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated, that help lower bad cholesterol and support your arteries. Magnesium in these seeds helps regulate blood pressure and maintain a steady heart rhythm. Snacking on roasted watermelon seeds is a tasty way to keep your heart strong and your blood pressure in check. They also help manage blood sugar thanks to magnesium's role in insulin sensitivity and carbohydrate metabolism. The healthy fats and fiber slow sugar absorption, preventing spikes and crashes in blood glucose. This makes watermelon seeds a smart choice for anyone looking to support both heart and metabolic health. Add them to your diet for a simple boost to your overall wellness. Watermelon seeds are a beauty and immunity powerhouse. Their protein and iron support strong hair growth, while zinc helps clear skin and speed up healing. Healthy fats like linoleic acid keep your skin hydrated and supple. Antioxidants, including vitamin E, protect against aging and environmental damage. Zinc and iron also strengthen your immune system, helping your body fight off illness. Snack on these seeds for a natural glow and a stronger defense system. Nourish your body from the inside out with this simple superfood. Roasting watermelon seeds turns them into a crunchy, nutritious snack. Rinse and dry the seeds, toss with a little oil and your favorite seasonings, then spread them on a baking sheet. Roast at 325 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring halfway through. Let them cool for extra crunch. Store in an airtight container and enjoy as a snack or topping for salads and yogurt. Roasted watermelon seeds are a delicious way to stop wasting nutrients. Try this easy recipe to add more flavor and health to your day. Don't toss those seeds, roast them. For a unique twist on nut butter, try making watermelon seed butter. Roast the seeds with a pinch of salt, then blend in a food processor until smooth, adding a little oil if needed. Customize with a touch of honey or cinnamon for extra flavor. Store in a jar in the fridge and use just like peanut or almond butter. Spread it on toast, add to smoothies, or enjoy by the spoonful. It's creamy, nutritious, and a great way to use up watermelon seeds. Give your snacks a healthy upgrade with this easy recipe. Watermelon seed tea is a traditional, gentle way to support kidney health and detoxification. Grind a quarter cup of raw seeds, then simmer in 4 cups of water for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain and enjoy warm or chilled. The tea has a mild, nutty flavor and helps flush out excess fluids. Drink a few times a week for a natural cleansing boost. It's simple, cost-effective, and a refreshing way to use watermelon seeds. Try this easy tea for a gentle wellness ritual. Support your body's natural detox with every sip. Watermelon seed oil is a lightweight, nourishing oil for both skin and hair. Rich in linoleic acid, it hydrates skin without clogging pores and restores elasticity. Use a few drops as a daily moisturizer or makeup remover for a soft, radiant complexion. Massage into your scalp to soothe dryness and promote healthy hair growth. Smooth a drop over hair ends to tame frizz and add shine. This versatile oil absorbs quickly and won't weigh hair down. Experience natural beauty and deep nourishment with watermelon seed oil. Create a face mask using watermelon seeds to exfoliate, nourish, and brighten your skin. Grind 2 tablespoons of dried watermelon seeds into a fine powder. Mix the powder with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Apply the mask to a clean face, avoiding the eye and mouth areas. Relax for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Pat dry and moisturize. Use weekly for a radiant complexion. To enjoy watermelon seeds safely, always prepare them by sprouting, roasting, or grinding to break down the shell. Use seasonings in moderation, opting for spices like garlic powder or cinnamon. Be mindful of portion sizes, as seeds are calorie-dense. Store seeds properly in airtight containers to maintain freshness. Following these tips will allow you to safely enjoy the nutritional benefits of watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds are generally safe, but there are a few things to consider. Their high fiber content may cause temporary discomfort if you suddenly introduce a large amount. Start with a small serving and gradually increase intake. Also, be mindful of portion sizes due to their calorie density. If you have kidney issues, talk to your doctor before consuming large amounts as they contain oxalates. Those with sensitive digestive systems should introduce seeds slowly. Allergic reactions are rare, but pay attention to your body's response. For most, watermelon seeds are a safe and nutritious addition to a healthy lifestyle when eaten in moderation. We have journeyed together through the surprising and powerful world of the humble watermelon seed. Now you know the truth. They are not waste, but a genuine superfood packed with essential minerals. The key to unlocking this potential lies in mindful preparation. By taking the simple steps of sprouting, roasting, or grinding them, we make these nutrients fully bioavailable. From a crunchy, savory snack to a creamy homemade butter or a cleansing tea, the possibilities are both delicious and versatile. I encourage you to see those little black seeds in a new light, an invitation from nature to nourish your body more deeply. Gather them, prepare them, and enjoy them. Embrace the full spectrum of nutrition that your food has to offer.
The secret to unlocking real success lies within the wisdom you already possess. The time is now. Take the smallest possible action today. The first step is yours to take. Remember, if you want things in your life to change, you've got to make an adjustment in your mindset of change things in your life, another to get the result you want.
Hey, self. Adjust my frequency to ignite my energy as you...